Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials: battery level, background sync needs, and any active charging. Open settings and go straight to battery or pull down quick settings. This is faster. Once there, enable battery saver now or set an automated schedule at 20% or a custom threshold. You do this because it immediately limits background activity and reduces screen brightness, preserving runtime. Make sure to note which apps you rely on so you can exempt any critical ones next. Now you tighten control, review app power usage, and restrict background activity for non-essential apps. Tap each heavy app and choose background restriction or sleep. This prevents stealth battery drain. Then adjust display settings, lower brightness, enable adaptive brightness if available, and shorten screen timeout to 30 seconds to 1 minute. Once done, turn off radios like Bluetooth, NFC, and location when you don't need them, because radios draw significant power, even idle. These measures compound to extend runtime substantially. Finish by enabling any deeper modes like low power mode or ultra power saving. These apply stricter limits to CPU, background data, and visual effects. Once enabled, restart your device to ensure all restrictions take effect cleanly and to clear transient wake locks. Monitor battery use for 24 hours and adjust exemptions for apps you need. If battery still drains unexpectedly, reboot again, check for apps causing wake locks in battery settings, and consider resetting battery statistics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.